Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to watch Jholet TikTok Compilation Part 1. Thank you so much kay Eileen Joven kasi siya yung nagma-message sa akin sa Instagram and sinend niya tong link na to. Actually yung YouTube ni Miss Terry kasi yun yung pangalan na nag-upload, Miss_Terry. So sakto kasi naghahanap ako ng makulit or Jholet moments dito sa YouTube and wala akong makita like yung compilation. Tapos sakto nag-send si Eileen ng nitong link na sabi niya nag-upload daw to ng mga edits ng Jholet, ganan. So saktong-sakto kasi nga ayun nga naghahanap ako. So why not i-react ko, 'di ba? Kaya thank you so much Eileen. So hindi ko na to patatagalin kasi gusto kong makapanood ng mga Jholet moments. So let's start. Pag ginagawa to ni Colette, lagi nagugulat si Jo. Tapos si Colette di man lang nagsislinch. Colette, kahit naman ako titigan naman ng ganon.
Parang feeling ko, fear ko na makahanap ako ng tao na sobrang mamahalin ko. Tapos, mamahalin din ako. Okay kami. Pero yung purpose pala and yung destiny nyo is to just miss each other for their entire life.
Uy!
Parehas tayo. Mahal kita. Mahal mo.
Ito pinaka gusto kong sweet moments ng Jholet. Ito like tinatanggalan ni Colette ng makeup si Jo kasi sobrang wholesome, sobrang sweet, like oh my gosh Colette, I need you in my life.
Ayun. Sobrang nasaktan ako. Kasi hindi ko talaga kaya. Hindi ko talaga kaya. As in, hindi ko talaga kaya.
Ganda ng dalawa, oh my god. Ang cute ni Colette. Tanggal din ang angas ni Colette kay Jen. Sobrang attentive ni Colette. Actually, ni Colette naman sa lahat ng members. Pero yung latest, di ba, yung ngayon yung kay Jo. Yung last time pala, yung sa Jensen. Oh my gosh, this one! Oh my gosh, yung tingin talaga nila sa isa't isa. Oh my god, I cannot.
Mama, teka lang.
Skip.
Kasi ito, kala mo, aamin siya palagi. Ang ingay mo.
My god, Colette. Bare face Colette. Aww. Taray ng background music pang K-drama. K-drama nga ba yun? Hindi, parang Chinese drama. Hindi, K-drama. Eh.
Dimples on the corners of the smile that you flare. I like you more, the world may know, but don't be scared, 'cause I'm falling deeper, baby, be prepared. I like your shirt, I like your fingers, love the way that you smell. To be your favorite jacket, just so I could always be near. I loved you for so long, sometimes it's hard to bear, but after all this time, I hope you wait and stay. Love you every minute, every second. Love you everywhere in
May sariling mundo.
Can't quit you 'cause baby you're the one. I don't know how. I love you till the last of snow disappears. Love you till a rainy day becomes clear. Never knew a love like this. Now I can't let go. I'm in love with you, and now you know.
Nada move sana si Colette dun eh. Cute.
I like the way you try so hard when you
Ang lapit
get out
naman.
with your friends. I like the way you hit the notes in every song you're shining. I love the little things like when you're unaware. I catch you steal a glance and smile so perfectly.
Cute.
Sometimes when life brings me down, you're the cure, my love. In the bad rainy day, you take all the worries away.
Like, grabe talaga yung friendship nilang lahat.
Every second, love you everywhere.
Haba ng song ha. Sana hindi ito maka-copyright.
Always and forever, I know.
Pag na-mute, alam niyo na.
'Cause baby, you're the one. I don't know hell in a world devoid of light. You bring color in your eyes. I see the light. My future, always and forever. I know I can't let you. I'm in love with you.
Uy, ano eh, save ba sila ng damit doon? O sila lahat? Feel ko sila lahat, delulu lang ako.
And now you know.
Hoy! Sabi, Colette, egg yun. Tumigil kayo, tingin. Ayaw.
Egg.
Egg yun.
Colette, egg. Colette, egg.
Wala kang choice. Ay! Colette, tignan namin ko.
Pero nag-egg yung kasama si Jo. Eh, egg yung yard. Cute. Nakatingin pa siya kay Jo.
And call.
Paano kaya napa-egg ni Jo si Colette? Si Colette na nag-shortcut para lang katabi sila ni Jo. Sweet. Kilig yan. Parang si Cheesy Judul. May Jholet heart through. Machi outfit. My gosh, that smile. That smile lights up my world. Sinong maangas in public ang nag-message nito na madaling araw? Siyempre si Colette. Yung caption pa, sinong maangas. Sobrang sko! Sabihan ako ni Colette na I love you.
Kami lang ni Joanna mayroon. May sinabi si Joanna na ang sama talaga ng loob ko. Hindi ako makatulog, sinat ko siya. Kinompose ko. Wait lang, 12 a.m. to 12 a.m. Kinompose ko muna sa notes ng
Ay, background music, feel ko makaka-copyright.
sobrang haba sa pero sorry, ganyan. Yun yung may I love you. Yun yun, di ba?
Ay!
Yun yun, di ba? Yung pinost niya. Yun yun. So,
Yun na, alam na ng Blooms kung ano yung sinasabi nila.
Nung time na yun, I love you. Yun na yun.
Grabe talaga yung friendship. Ano, Jholet or Makulit? Yung hug dito. So, ayan, sino bang mga Jholet dyan? Mag-comment na kayo dito sa video na to kung gusto nyo pa ng part 2. Grabe talaga, like, ewan ko, lahat talaga ng ship gusto ko talaga kasi kinikilig talaga ako. Like, grabe yung chemistry nila sa isa't isa and yung friendship, ayun talaga. And grabe, sobrang, ewan ko, pag sobrang attentive ni Colette kay Jo, sobrang nasisweetan ako and sobrang cute nilang dalawa. Like, alam mo yun, walang awkwardness talaga sa friendship nilang lahat. So that's it for today's video guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Annyeong! Hey!